Today we had our Unity March, and this is just to celebrate the diversity that we have here at Lansdowne.
Unity! Now! Unity! Now!
So I talked with the students about what unity means, why people go on marches, how we bring attention to something that's important like unity, and just to show our community how much we love and support each other.
We love Lansdowne! We love
While we were talking about what the Unity March is all about, as the art teacher, I led the project. I showed them some different symbols and images that represented peace and love, showing things about community and how we can support each other. And then the students came up with all of their own ideas. They thought of their idea, drew their idea, and then they colored it. And we used that as our sign to just, again, help bring that idea of unity. I think today was a great success. We had all of our students come out. It does not matter what we look like, what we believe, what languages we speak, that everybody is important and has something important to give to our community. It felt like it was a great success. We had a lot of participation.